Here we got another eBay package. This is another pair of shitty Kinyo speakers. They're the same ones I reviewed back in May. It's the PS-205B. I just bought another one of these. I'm going to reuse like the clear for like another driver. But the original drivers are really shitty and the amplifier is not good either. I paid like $10. It was a little expensive though. This was like $7 back in like 2010-ish. I actually stopped selling these back in like 2009. They had like the PA-115B, which were worse. But these are very bad. Alright, it looks better than shitty 5 below speakers, but they're not good any better than like MacBook Pro speakers. They're actually worse than the MacBook Pro speakers or any other laptop speaker. The MacBook Pros are really good for their speakers. These are horrible. The MacBook Air also has good speakers. Like, these are not a direct replacement of our decent laptop speakers. These are worse. I'm glad they stopped selling these speakers. It's just so basic. It's not good at all. But I got a box of these. These were never opened. These are sealed. These are hard to find, like, sealed these days. They're not 2 watts. I don't even think they're 2 watts at all. I think the amplifier is only 0.5 watts. It wasn't loud at all. So they have very bad sound quality. The frequency response is subpar. It's not even like 120 hertz at all. It sounds more like 300 hertz. So let's unbox them. This is what you would usually find at Big Lots back in the day. Yep, brand new, I believe. Just look at how cheap these are. They smell new too. I see imperfections already. Yep, that's what you get for cheap speakers. Very, very, very bad. I'm not gonna show you the sound quality of these. Alright, unboxing, I'm ending this video and I'm gonna make other videos about these. Thanks for watching.